people have been convinced to buy a product or service just by watching a video? Imagine the power of that for your business. It's like having a magic wand in your marketing toolkit. I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Like magic. Today we're talking about how video influences purchasing behavior. So why is video so persuasive? Why am I a YouTube strategist? Think of it like casting a spell. Videos engage multiple senses, visuals, sound, and storytelling, creating an immersive experience that text alone just simply can't match. This statistic isn't just a number. It's proof of video's enchantment. 82% of people have been convinced to buy a product or service just by watching a video. That's insane. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a magical tip for creating visibility and generating leads for your business. Imagine if your product had this kind of magical impact. 66% of consumers prefer watching a short video over other methods to learn about your product. Videos simplify complex information and make it more relatable, turning curiosity into trust, much like how a well-cast Lumos brings light to the darkest corners. So how can you wield this magic? Join our YouTube cohort where personalized step-by-step guidance awaits, like attending a special class at Hogwarts. Discover how to make YouTube your top source of leads and sales. Enroll now at myscheduledbiz.com/cohort. I am so glad that we get to live our dreams together every single day. I hope to see you next time.